impact in the communities they serve.
Vice President ke BJP Bernard Marak ulaang ba kajing paikmat ke seng kalong banyo ya kajing job baru artli suki lok sabha na shalong batura halo kajing penteri kami ke skim malamang da ke sorkar pedeng ula kena ba kajing mentoy na ke skim mabon ke sorkar pedeng kempoi setia siki nong yo jing mentoy ula kan thoru ba kajing ikon ke BJP persya ya ke kambam sap kedang yai beteng ula kam ba kajing ya sam ya ki vote kalanang kiu ula ang ba ki breu ke persya ya ke kambam sap ki kershan ya ke BJP.
We will be focusing on winning both the seats, Shillong and Tura seats. And the preparation will be based on the schemes which has been launched and being sanctioned by the center. Most of the schemes have not reached the beneficiaries. People who don't want corruption in the state are voting for BJP. So this is where we feel that we should focus on. And our preparation will be based on this only. That our war against corruption will continue and the entire political this setup will focus on our stand against corruption.